WooCommerce integration allows you to serve Google Drive files as downloadable products to your customers. To enable WooCommerce integration, navigate to Google Drive. From WordPress Admin Dashboard, Settings, Integrations, enable WooCommerce integration, save changes. From WooCommerce Settings, enable downloads to add Google Drive files as WooCommerce downloadable products. To create a Google Drive downloadable product, navigate to WooCommerce Products page, Add New Product, tick Downloadable. Click on Add Drive Files button from the Source tab, select Downloadable Google Drive files. To let users download selected Google Drive files as WooCommerce downloads. From the Advanced tab, enable redirection to redirect users directly to Google Drive instead of downloading files. Enable Add User Permission to add permission for the purchase email address for the files. The purchase email address must be a Gmail. Save changes. Upon completing the checkout process, users can download or view selected Google Drive files from order confirmation page or via email notification.